In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a shape in Google Sheets. Drawing. If you've ever wanted to add a clean label, a callout, or even a simple button-style element to your spreadsheet, the drawing tool in Google Sheets is the quickest way to do it. It lets your visuals sit on top of the grid, so you can highlight key numbers or guide viewers without changing your underlying data. Start by going to the Insert menu at the top and clicking on Drawing. This opens a small, dedicated canvas, separate from your sheet, where you can design your shape without the distraction of cells. Think of it like a mini design window that lets you build exactly what you want before placing it on the sheet. Inside the drawing canvas, click the Shapes icon. You'll see common options like rectangles, circles, arrows, and callouts. Pick the form that fits your purpose. Once it's on the canvas, you can click to select it and then use the toolbar to personalize it. Choose a fill color that matches your theme or makes the text easy to read. Adjust the border color and thickness to make it pop or keep it subtle. If you want your shape to act like a label or a button, just double-click inside it and start typing. Short, clear text works best. Think total sales, notes, or click to view. As you format, keep readability in mind. High contrast between the text and the fill color keeps things accessible. If your shape needs to stand out on a busy sheet, a slightly thicker border or a bolder color can help. And remember, you're still in the drawing canvas, so you can resize the shape by dragging the handles and position it precisely before placing it on the sheet. When you're happy with how it looks, click Save and Close. Your finished shape appears directly on top of your cells, exactly where your cursor was. It's floating above your data, which means you can move it around freely without disturbing your formulas or formatting. Drag it to the ideal spot and resize it using the corner handles to keep the proportions looking clean. If you need to align it near a chart or a total section, take a moment to position it neatly so it guides attention without covering important numbers. That's all there is to it. With the drawing tool, you get a clean, flexible shape that enhances your sheet while keeping your data intact and organized.